Now we're going to look at the PNF glute stretching. In this video, she's going to stretch the right glute muscle. So she crosses the right leg over the left leg, forming a figure 4, pulling the opposite leg towards her, stretching that right glute for 20 to 30 seconds passively. Then she's going to press down with the right leg into the left leg, contracting that right glute muscle for about 10 seconds to pre-fatigue it. When the 10 seconds have elapsed, she's going to pull that left leg towards her, thereby stretching the right glute. Notice how she goes a bit further than she was before, holding that position for about 20 to 30 seconds. When the time has elapsed, again she's going to press the right leg into the left leg, holding it there for 10 seconds in a static contraction. When that 10 seconds have elapsed, she's going to pull that left leg even further than it was before, thereby stretching the right glute a bit more. Repeat this cycle for 2 to 3 times, and then you do it for the opposite leg. Relax, uncross gently, and then do it for the opposite side.